This is Logeshwari, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science. Today we'll learn about decision making and branching statement in C. Making statement. What is meant by decision making? It is used to evaluate one or more conditions and making the decisions whether the condition is execute or not. Okay, so next one, branching statement. What is meant by branching? It is used to jump the flow of execution. So that is a branching. So what are the branching statement is there? If, such, conditional statement and go to statement. We are going to see if statement. The if statement has the different types: simple if else, nested if else if later. Simple if syntax is there, if expression, open brace statement inside, close brace statement outside. So what is that meaning? So if is a keyword and then you can give the conditional. The conditions give the any one value, is it true or false. Suppose if the condition is true, is moved to the inside of the statement. Suppose the condition will be false, is moved to the outside of the statement. Okay, example program for the simple if. So starting from the main function, after that it can get the two values, x equal to 15, y equal to 13. So 15 initialized to x, 13 initialized to y. Okay, so what is the syntax for simple if expression? So if the expression has x greater than y. Okay, so 15 greater than 13, this condition is true. So this condition is true, it's moved to the inside of the statement. Okay, so inside of the statement, what is that? Printf. Okay, it has the print as x is the greater than y. So what is the output? X is greater than y. Okay, suppose if you give the value of x value as 10, this condition will be false, is moved to the automatically outside of the statement. Okay, it's automatically skipped in this inside. Okay, if else. So if else means it has a two block, block 1 and block 2. The black one for true block, black 2 for false block. Okay, so if the conditions will be checked, the condition is true, is moved to the statement block 1. Suppose this condition is false, is moved to the else part, the black 2 will be executed. Okay, this is the example program for the if else statement. The main functions, after that it can declare the two values x comma y. So okay, the 15 is assigned to x, 18 is assigned to y. Okay, so what is the condition is there? X greater than y. So 15 greater than 8. This condition is true or false? False. So this condition is false, so automatically is moved to else part. Okay, so the else part. So after that it can enter the else part. What is the statement is here? Printf statement. So what is the content is there? Y is greater than x. What is the output we can get? Y is greater than x. Okay, suppose if you give the x value as 20, so automatically the condition will be checked, 20 greater than 18. This condition is true or false? True. So which block is executed? The first true block is executed. Okay, so printf, what is the two blocks there? X is greater than y. Okay, nested if else statements. What is mean nested if else? One if statement target to another if statement. It meaning of so one if else statements is contain the another if else statement is called as the nested if else. Okay, so one syntax is here. So if condition 1, the condition is check, is the condition is 1 is check, is it true or false. Suppose if the condition is true, is enter the condition 2. Okay, so the condition 2 is correct, is moved to the condition 2 true block. Suppose the condition 2 is false, is moved to the else part. Okay, flowchart for nested if else. Okay, the first one, condition 1. So condition 1 get the any one value, true or false. Suppose it can get the value as true, is moved to the condition 2. Okay, the condition 2 is get the value as true, so it's moved to the statement 1. Suppose it got the false, is moved to the statement 2. So condition 3 is true, is moved to the statement 3. Suppose condition 3 got the false value, is moved to the statement 4. Okay, example programs here. There are three variables is there. So scanf is get the input from the users, a value, B value and C value. Okay, suppose A value is 10, b value as 5. If the condition is check, a greater than b, this condition is true because a value is 10, b value is 5. So this condition is true, is moved to the nested else. Okay, is moved to the nested if else. Okay, so nested if else, it means enter the condition 2. Okay, the condition 1 is a greater than b, this condition is true, so automatically the true blocks will be entered. So that what is the true block is there, so another condition is there. Okay, so another condition is what, so a greater than c. So what is the a value, 10. Okay, suppose if you get the c value as 8. Okay, this condition is true or false, 10 greater than 8, this condition is true or false, what, true. Okay, because a is the biggest value, no, so that's only this is execute on the true block. Okay, so after that print the what is the output we can get, a is the greatest. Suppose the c value is 15. Okay, this condition is will be false, is again is moved to the else part. Okay, so what is the value we can get, c is the greatest value. Okay, suppose a value is 10, b value is 15, the first condition will be false, is moved to the else part. Okay, so what is again you can give the some another one conditions, b greater than c. So what is the b value, 15, c value as 8, so this condition also true, is print the b is the greatest. Okay, suppose c value is 15, this condition is false, we go to the else part, c is the greatest value. Okay, so else if later syntax is here. If expression 1, the expression is have the true value, so is moved to the statement block 1. Suppose it can get the false, is moved to the expression 2. Okay, is moved to the else part, it has the if condition, so expression 2 will be evaluated. After that this conditions will be false, is moved to the another if else if statement. The expression 3 will be checked, the expression 3 also false, is moved to the else part. The else part have the default statement, this default statement will be executed. Okay, the expression is tested from top to down. Okay, statement is a control statement, it can allow us to choose only one, so but it among the many given options is there. Okay, so the expressions which evaluate return integer value only, they execute that block of code which match the case value. So if there is no match, the default blocks will be executed. Okay, so rules for this switch statement, the expression must be a integer value, the expression of must be a integer value. Yes, after that the case label value must be unique, the case label value must be unique, or case label must be with a colon, the case label must be within a colon. So next line after the case statement can be valid statement. Switch expression, so many case value is there, value 1, value 2, value 3, value 4. After that we can give the default value, so the expression not match the case value is automatically execute default. Is the main function, so number equal to 8, so what is that meaning, the 8 give to the num, so switch of num, so switch has the value as the expression has the value as 8, the 8 is match, which case is match, the second blocks will be match, so the block will be executed. So printf, what is the statement is there, value is 8, what is the output we can get, value is 8. Suppose we can give the num equal to 11, so the case value is not match in the expression, so it's automatically moved to default section. What is the output we can get, out of range. Go to statements, what is my go to statement? Go to statement is a jumping statement, it is an unconditional jumping statement. Okay, so we can jump anywhere, within the functions. Okay, so next one, syntax. So what is in the syntax? There are two syntaxes here. So go to is a keyword, it is a transform control. After that label, so label is an identifier. So when the go to statement is encountered, the control of the program jump to the label code. Okay, so next let me see the example program for go to statement. So first main function has to declare the variable as num, so num equal to 26, the 26 assigned to the num. Okay, so after that the calling function is check even or math, this function is pass the num value to the called function. The called function is a user defined function. This function is check the number is even or not. Okay, so it contains the if else statements. The if condition as num modulo 2 equal to 0. It means the 26 divided by 2, the remainder value has the 0. So 0 equal to 0, this condition is true. Okay, so this true block will be executed. What is the true block here? So go to even. Okay, so go to even. So the even is the label, so automatically define the label section as even as printf. So printf the even, print the even number. Okay, so what is the output we can get? 26 is even. Suppose if we give the number value as 25, this condition will be false. Okay, so it's automatically move to else part. So what is the else part here? Go to add. Okay, so the label has add, the definition as add as printf, the value is add, so 25 is add. Okay.